Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace the center vent panel on your double wall oven, open the lower oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws securing the panel. Open the upper oven door to the broil position and you can detach the old panel. Install the new center vent panel by aligning it on the frame with the upper oven door still open. Then thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.